So I just got this desk light and I'm excited to open it up and give it a try. So there we go. So we got the cords here. Then, oh, I like that. It's like I got a nice sturdy feel to it, and the metal is really nice as well. Looks really classy. I like that a lot. Okay, and then this thing opens up just like this. We'll get a better view of it in a second. And then it looks like this kind of just, you can either fold it over like that or bring it up. Let's give it a try. Okay, I am in love with this thing. It was very easy to set up, so you can either have it up here or you can put it down so it's facing this way as well, or even going all the way flat if you'd like, or just like kind of bent over that way. But I didn't realize this had all this different functionality down here as well. I knew that it had the off and on, but check out some of the features that this thing has. So first of all, you can control the brightness this way or this way just by moving your finger, which is super cool, makes you feel like a boss. And then you can turn it off and on just by clicking there. And then there's different dimming functions. So you can go through and make it dimmer or lighter. And then I didn't realize this is super cool. So say you're doing a task or something and you want to time yourself for 30 minutes. You could do the blue, I think they believe is 30 minutes. Let me see. Sorry, green is 30 minutes. So when you click the green here, now after 30 minutes, this is going to time out. Or if you click this and you go to blue, it's going to turn off after 60 minutes. So it's either you can turn it off on its own, or I'm going to use it as kind of like a timer for different tasks. Like, oh, I want to focus for 60 minutes and turn this off. And then of course there is the phone charging here. Unfortunately, I'm recording this video on my phone, so I can't I can't put it on there, but it does work. I just tested it out, and overall, I really just love the look of the lamp and the aesthetic of it, and I just love how easy it is to turn it on and go up and down. So really cool. You just do that all day. I might just get distracted doing this at my desk.